Hi everybody, my name is Scott Godfrey and I will be your teacher this semester in Poli-Sci 1. And I am sending you this video just to help you to log on to Moodle and to help you navigate our page. So here is an issue that a lot of students have who have taken classes in the previous semester, and it is this. When you log on to Moodle, you're going to use the website eperalta.org, eperalta.org. And if you took a class last semester and you logged on to Moodle last semester, what will come up automatically is last semester's logon information. So since I taught here last semester, which was the fall of 2015, the address that automatically comes up for me is eperalta.org/fall2015. Now, since we are in the spring semester, you need to make sure that you type in eperalta.org/spring 2016. Okay, in order to get to our material this semester, you need to make sure that you have the correct semester typed out in your browser window. So I hit return, and you'll see the first thing you'll see is this login page. In order to log into Moodle, you need to have a username, which is your Passport user ID. You need to have a password, which will be your date of birth. And here is one thing. If you need help logging on at this point, you need to contact these folks at this email address, which is online@peralta.edu. Through our semester, I will be able to answer a lot of questions, but when it comes to this technical situation right here, I won't be able to help you. You need to contact these folks if you do need help logging on. If there's some issue with your password or your username, those are the people you want to talk to, not me. So I'm going to type in my password, and you'll see a window that looks something like this, which will have your classes listed out. And I'm going to click on the link for our class. And this is what you will see when you log on successfully to our class. Now, this first week, there's going to be an introductory block for you to read this information here. And then you're going to want to read this instructional book where it says start here. You're also going to want to read our course syllabus, and you're also going to want to take the syllabus quiz. I don't want you to worry about this news forum right here. And this first week, you're going to want to do the instructional block and also the material that's listed under week 1. Now, every week, you're going to see a number of questions listed out. Now, these aren't questions that I want for you to answer and email me or anything like that. These are the questions that we're going to be answering through our material this week. So, for example, this first week, we will answer the question, what is government? What are different types of government? Where does government get its authority and legitimacy? These are questions that we'll answer through our material. So another thing that you'll see every week is a checklist for things that you need to do that week. So for example, this first week, you're going to want to read the class instructional book. That's this book right here. You're going to want to read the course syllabus, which is right here. You're going to want to take the syllabus quiz. That's right here. And you're going to want to read Moodle Book 1. That's this one. You're going to want to post to this week's forum. You're going to want to do the homework assignment and take this week's quiz. Most every week there will be a homework assignment and there will be a quiz for you to take. Now when it comes to posting to forum, I'll just click on the link there. You're going to want to make sure that you read the directions carefully so you know what question you're going to be answering in forum. And you're also going to want to make sure that you respond to at least one of your classmates' postings. Now also understand that in order to actually post to the forum successfully, you're going to want to make sure that you read or go through all of that week's material. Okay, and all the material will be in these things called books. Now the books will be a lot of stuff for you to read. There'll also be links to things like podcasts. There'll be video stuff. I'm making videos of lectures and whatnot for you to watch. So all that stuff will be in each week's book. I also want you to know that we are going to go 1 week at a time. In other words, I'm not going to be posting material in advance for week 2 or week 3 or week 4. We're all going to be working on the same material at the same time. And the reason for this is that I want to make sure that when we are posting to forum, we're having a discussion about that week's material together, that all of us are looking at the same material and talking about the same material. And if you are 4 weeks ahead of everybody else, you're going to be off on your own and you're not going to be part of the discussion with the rest of the class. And though this is an online class, interactions with me and your classmates are going to be just as important as they are in an in-person class. In fact, the percentage of your final grade when it comes to your forum postings is going to be much higher than a standard participation grade in a class. And all of that information, how much participation is worth, how much the quizzes are worth, how much the exams are worth, all of that stuff is in this instructional book and the course syllabus that you need to read to get all that information. And if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to email me. My email address is sgodfrey@peralta.edu. And I guess that's it for now. And I really look forward to our class together. Bye.